guys! Welcome to Linda Salamat channel! Actually guys, for this video, meron kaming surprise kay Sienna! We have a surprise for you!
Yeah!
Do you know what is that?
Gabby'S Dollhouse.
But you don't know what kind is Gabby'S Dollhouse. Actually guys, nahilig kasi siya sa Gabby'S Dollhouse toys, kaya yung tatay niya, binilihan siya online ng Gabby'S Dollhouse. So, we will open it. Tignan natin kung ano reaction ni Sienna. Dumating na siya last time.
That's
So,
Gabby.
we will
So,
open
you know.
it. This one si Gabby, guys. This is Gabby from Gabby'S Dollhouse
On Netflix.
on Netflix. Kapag makikita niyo siya, guys, she's a child only, I think, but I don't know how old is she. And turning to cartoon. Gabby'S Dollhouse is like looks like a favorite about cat. So, Gabby'S Dollhouse have a friends. Na, Sienna?
Yeah!
Oh, you show me the friends of Gabby'S Dollhouse. This one is... What's this? Kiki! This one is a cat rat.
Go there!
Actually, cat rat. Rat siya, guys, pero may cat. Since mahilig siya sa cat. This one, guys. Mercat. Because it's a mermaid. O, di ba? Ang cute. Kitty Perry. You can put the baby Perry here. Oh, this one is pillow cat. It's actually a pillow siya, guys. And then, like that. All the faces is all about cat. Ay, nako, guys. Sorry. Naputol tayo kasi si baby Perra o naiyak. I say, hi, baby Perra. What's next? This one is DJ Catnip. This one is Pandy Pose. This is the main character, guys. Aside from Gabby. Gabby. And this one.
Baby box.
Baby box cat. Actually, is a baby siya and then box cat. Am I right? It's a shape of a box. This one is the DJ doing a music. Cute, diba, guys? Ayan. Actually, game. We go na to the opening for the surprise for Sienna. Ilagay lang muna natin siya dito. Wait lang.
I don't want to see the...
Buksan na natin yung box, guys. Wait na. Hi, baby Perra. It's big na baby. Ayan na siya, guys. Bubuksan na ang Gabby's. Nakalagay sa kanya description, guys. Oh. Gabby'S Dollhouse. Can I see the description? No, in the box. Gabby'S
Purrfect Dollhouse.
Yan. Isang bata dyan. Excited.
This one like that. You want to show me?
Wow, it's nice. Okay, open.
You can show it like that. Spin.
That's the Gabby'S Dollhouse na. Open it.
Are you ready to open?
Sienna, don't blocking the camera. You're in the other side. There.
What's this look? This one. This all the character and furniture. Need to make...
Kaya bahatan to edit.
We need to make it. Look, the Dollhouse Delivery.
What's that?
All the furniture and the character too. Character.
Okay.
Yeah, the stickers.
Hi guys! Ayan guys, okay na. Na-assemble na yung bahay. Ito na yung house guys. Pakita ko sa inyo. There. Ayan. Meron din siyang music kapag pinindot mo. Yay! Ay, maganda siya guys. Actually, guys, may mga binili kami dyan. Bukod pa dyan, may mga nauna nang bilhin si Wayne before. Ito yung mga nabili ni Sienna before. Ayan. This one is a Pillow Cat's bedroom. And this one is Meerkat bathroom. That's the Meerkat there. And then this one is Cake's kitchen. And this one is Katy Perry's garden. Look at Katy Perry. There. Actually, itong mga ito, nakaalat siya dyan sa mga bahay-bahay. So, we put na in the house. Ito na siya, guys. Ayan na yung mga furniture niya inside the house. Ito si Pillow Cat bedroom. Tapos yung kanina mga pinakita ko. Tapos ito yung kay Meerkat shower. And Cake's kitchen.
It's like an extension of the room.
Where?
Like Deluxe, or the one we had. It's already a kitchen there. It's like extending. See, it's a bathroom. It's like extensions.
It's an extension daw that yung mga yan. Kasi may mga allotted na area siya.
Find the shop.
There.
The one in the bottom, the music room.
This one here?
Yeah.
May music room pa raw na kailangan i-collect si Sienna. Pero wala pa, hindi pa available dito sa Australia. Na Sienna, you like it? Sienna, you look to mom. You like it? Wait lang. And this is the Katy Perry garden. Nandito siya sa kabila, guys.
Started.
Actually, ito daw yan, guys. Tapos meron siyang light dito. Ayan. Si Sienna, ginaya ko. Tapos ito dito siya, guys. Oh. Kapag nilagay mo dito si Katy Perry, mag-i-slide. There. Whee!
There's a swing.
Tapos may swing din si Katy Perry garden. Ang cute, no? Cute na mga laruan ng bata. Ayan. Tapos meron pang
Dollhouse Delivery.
Dollhouse Delivery doon sa
Ready?
Gabby'S Dollhouse. Ayan.
Put in the whole there.
They will do a
One.
delivery.
Put in there. Press the button. Here.
Press the button.
There, and then you open.
Ooh, what's that, Sienna?
It's cookies. Cupcake cookies.
Oh, there's another one.
This one, you do it.
You do it.
Press. Yeah.
Wow.
It's a pizza.
It's a picture. Sienna, you like it?
Yeah.
What do you say to your dad?
Thank you.
Thank you, Dad.
So you can
Ayan
play
na,
now.
guys. O, diba?
You can play your thing.
You like it? You happy?
I'm happy.
You happy because she's complete na.
Except for the one.
Except for DJ.
DJ Catnip.
DJ Catnip music set. We don't have pa. It's hard to find here in
And then
Australia.
they want like $80 in Amazon.
Oh, $80 to sa Amazon yun, God. Guys, is
It's
mahal.
hard to get.
Actually, guys, etong Gabby'S Dollhouse is popular in the America. So, in here in Australia, it's just the small rooms, we buy that in Kmart. And then the house, we buy in the Toymate. Order online. The house. But the rest, this one is from Kmart.
This one is okay.
Kmart.
This Kmart.
This one is also from Kmart. The one who's looking for the kids, the one that they like also, Gabby'S Dollhouse. That's where you can find it. But actually, it's first come first serve. Who's the one can get it. You're lucky to have it. It's hard to find, most especially some of the stuffed toys.
Yeah.
It's hard to find also the stuffed toys.
Just lucky to get.
We're just lucky to get the stuffed toys. No, Sienna?
Yeah. I get the door. I put the dollhouse over here.
Oh, you press the button. What is the song there?
The song, then
You
the
sing
bottom.
you sing the sprinkled
heart,
garden.
What else?
What else?
Let's see what surprise we have for my dollhouse today.
Yeah, that's the one surprise. The one is Sienna doing before. And then look to mom. Masunuring bata.
Come out and play.
Come on and play. Again, what else? You sing with it.
Fantastical.
There's no sprinkle garden song there.
Yeah.
It's okay.
Even in the instruction, it doesn't say it about DJ catnip room. It's like really rare. I don't think it's.
But there's a space.
Yeah, but it says.
We're lucky to have that, guys. Dahil si Sienna. Ewan ko ba bakit biglang... We don't know why Sienna is just suddenly watched the Gabby'S Dollhouse, no?
She downloaded the game.
That's the one. Actually,
app,
it's not
she
popular
downloaded
here in the
it,
Australia that yet, the Gabby'S Dollhouse. And then nag-iPad, nagta-tablet si Sienna, and then she download the games. And then...
But she's calling it meow meow cat house. She don't
yeah!
Meow, meow,
That's the one I said before to... That's not the one?
You don't know the game.
That's the one.
That's the one she's crying to me before pala. I remember. She said, I want the meow meow cat house. Ay, meow meow house. That's the one pala. Now I know it. Oo, meow meow cat house. Iyak pa siya ng iyak. And then me, I'm just researching until I can... And I researching in the Google Play, and then I said, oh, who's the one there? You choose it. And then, yeah, yung pala yun.
Because all she hear was the meow meow meow. Meow, meow, meow,
That's the one she discovered the Gabby'S Dollhouse. Because we are not watching that in Australia. We don't have a show there in the Australia TV. How does she know the Gabby'S Dollhouse when if it's popular in the America? At isa pa guys, naging Netflix kids na rin to si Sienna. She always watch a Netflix because of the Gabby'S Dollhouse. Because the Gabby'S Dollhouse is on Netflix. O, diba? Buti na lang may subscription si Wayne sa Netflix. Kaya nanonood si Sienna sa Gabby'S Dollhouse. Okay. So, that's for our video for today, guys. I hope nagustuhan nyo yung aming simple video. At sa mga naghahanap ng mga Gabby'S Dollhouse for their kids, available siya sa Kmart and Toymate Online. Thank you for watching, guys.
Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe. Natawadi tayo. I love you.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Give the kiss. Oh, you
Say
smile
yay,
today.
alligator.
See you later, alligator daw.
Say yay, alligator.
Keep safe, everyone.
Let's say yay, one.
Mwah, 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 mwah.
Mama, mama.
Baby Pera. Baby Pera, you look in the camera, you call her.
Hey.
Hi. Thank you, guys. Please subscribe. Bye. Say bye na. Say bye. Ingat palagi tayo. Dali, again.
Bye.
Say bye. Bye. Ingat palagi tayo. Keep safe, everyone.
Bye. Natawadi tayo. Let's say yay, one.
Kiss.